What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford remote key fob. This Ford key fob is going to be for the Ford vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the key fob, and if we hold the buttons facing down, we see this release on the back. That release is going to let us get this emergency key out right here that my finger's on. So I'm going to hold that release down, that button, and then we're going to get this emergency key out. And you may need to use your fingernail a little bit just to get it started, or even a flathead screwdriver. But then we'll pull that emergency key out. And this is the slot right here that just slid out of. What I'm going to do is take the emergency key and just put the tip of it in there like that. And then I'm going to pry up on this back cover. Then once that pops up like that, you can go ahead and pull the two halves apart. And in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to get a small screwdriver just to help me get under the edge of this battery. You may be able to get this out with your finger, but it's a lot easier if you have something just to get under the edge of the battery and get it started out of that holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. And in this holder, you see there's that little metal piece right here that my finger's on. That's the edge we're going to start in first. So we'll kind of start that edge in first like that. And then once it's started, go ahead and snap it the rest of the way in that holder. And then we can snap the two halves of the shell apart. And what I'm going to do is kind of start the top in first, like this. I'm going to start the top in and slide it up, and then just snap it down. Make sure that's all the way snapped down, all the way around. And then we'll slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.